guys, I am going to be doing a really kawaii from the start by Lave. Really kawaii singing it. It's a karaoke, by the way, so yeah. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? You look like a really ugly rat and stuff. Don't you dare look at me, 'cause you will give me rabies, and I don't need reminders that you have babies. And you look ugly like a rat from the sewers, but I don't wanna see you when I wake up and just go to school. 'Cause you look ugly and you look bad. You see, when you look in the mirror, you see an ugly rat in disguise that's looking like a human guy, and you look so weird. I don't think I have any more lyrics. That was really short. I'm going to try and make it part 2. I'm just going to make the rest of the video of stalking people's channels. Guys. What are these people? I'm gonna try this. Anime loving girl. I'm dying by the. Why does she have no video? Okay.
Oh, this music looks so aesthetic.
What? Wait, this is Jack. Is this actually? This is probably not real. Wait, I thought that was Jack Black. Okay, this guy posts gotcha videos. Azulity, I think you guys should subscribe to him. Or her. Oh. Yeah, if I say I can't subscribe to your channel, it's true, okay? Now I'm going to stop recording, and I hope you like my kawaii.